So this week just keeps getting better. I guess I knew that this was coming because I had received an email letting me know that, but it had just kind of slipped my mind. So while I was working today, buzzer goes off. I'm not a big online shopper, so I don't usually get a lot of packages. And went to the door and got a package and saw, it was coming from Nevada, and then it clicked. So back in the summertime, Tesla actually released a product called the Tesla Short Shorts. And so Elon Musk, being the meme lord and mega troll that he is, basically created a product which is just short shorts, like the clothing item. But he's implying essentially that people that short Tesla stock, which means they're basically betting against the company to do poorly, he came out with this product to troll them with the price point of $69.420. So obviously there's connotations there. But yeah, they finally arrived. So I guess I'm gonna share with you all. It was kind of a stupid, excessive purchase, but I figured they might one day become a collector's item. So got them here. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. Tesla finished up well today in the stock market, I think 4%. So, another good day. Just lots of great news in the run up to Saturday when I'm going to be taking delivery of my Model Y here in Chicago. So, here we go. The box comes with packing slip, obviously, and then comes in bubble wrap. And there's a pretty fancy box inside. So, take that out of there. And while we're at it, we might as well pop a few of those. All right, so yeah, this box is quite fancy. It's got gold leaf. Oh, very cool. Tesla short shorts. It's got the Tesla font, Tesla logo. It's got the logo there. Tesla short shorts. Such a silly product. On the back it says Tesla short shorts, made on Earth by humans. So when we open this up, it's quite a quality, very tight fit. Just looks like a typical garment packaging with some tissue paper and a Tesla sticker. Everything's that gold leaf. And then inside is these really garish polyester shorts, like a red lame, very shiny. You got the Tesla logo down here in the bottom left, gold leaf again, and then S3XY. So the letters of the the four models that have come out that spell sexy in lead speak. So a fun, super superfluous purchase. There's no need for this, but I think it just talks to kind of the nature of Tesla as a company, where they're not afraid to take risks or do silly things every once in a while. So that's really all I've got for you today. Hopefully I'll be back soon with some actual content about Tesla as a company, and then also just in the lead up to Saturday where I'll be taking that Model Y delivery. I do actually have to go out and get some new equipment. I'm just currently shooting this on my iPhone 12 mini, but I would like to get either a GoPro or some sort of suction cup stand so that I can record while in the car. Most importantly, I'm going to want to provide to the YouTube community footage of full self-driving beta. We'll see if I'm able to get that, but if nothing else, I'll start to pull together some screen recording software and create some videos where I'm reviewing and taking impressions about what I'm seeing so far in the YouTubers that are creating some full self-driving recordings, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So thanks everyone. I really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Just making this channel for fun and turning it into a hobby, but if one day it could work out to something more, I've always had a passion for videography and for interviewing people and talking to people, sharing my interests. So if I can somehow turn this into eventually like a podcast, interviewing, basically just a place where I can entertain all of my interests that's what I'm looking to do. So do those things, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. And you're not going to see me wearing these ever. I don't think anyone is, but I'm going to try them on. All right, take care.